of University of Mysore, as the University of Mysore will be celebrating its 100th convocation ceremony this year. Her Highness Dr. Pramoda Devi Wadiyar will be releasing the logo to commemorate 100 years of Mysore University's convocation.
The Royal Family of Mysore Kingdom have always played a prominent role in educating the citizens of Mysore. Having established the University of Mysore in 1916, it only deemed appropriate for the Queen, Her Highness Dr. Pramoda Devi Wadiyar, to release the Centenary Convocation logo. Accompanying her was Professor Uday Maitra, an academician at the Indian Institute of Sciences, Bengaluru.
Happy to be here as part of the Science Day, and also they are releasing Centenary. As you are aware, the university celebrated the Centenary celebrations 3 years ago. Now we are completing 100 year of convocation celebration. I feel proud to be an alumnus of this university, and it's my privilege, and I'm extremely passionate about certain things, and it's an immense pleasure to design the logo for the Centenary celebrations. Convocation. Glad that I was given the opportunity by the University.
As this event is adding another feather to the cap of the University of Mysore, it is also important to remember that thousands of students who graduate each year from the University of Mysore also bring laurels and are making University of Mysore proud. This is Shivappa reporting for Varsity News with camera person Manoj and Raju Sagre. And you would like to see more news of what is happening around the University of Mysore, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.